Today, I'm walking through one of the greenest and most magical places in northern Iran. Welcome to Rudkhan Castle, hidden deep in the forests of Fuman, Gilan. Here, nature speaks first. Tall trees, misty air, and the sound of footsteps on stone stairs that have survived centuries. Rudkhan Castle was built over 1,000 years ago, during the Seljuk era. This fortress was designed to be unconquerable, surrounded by mountains and protected by dense forest. It was once a military stronghold and a safe haven. As I walk higher, I imagine the soldiers who once guarded these walls, the cold fog, the silence before battle. History feels very close here, but Gilan is not only about history. It's also about food, warmth, and deep flavors. After the walk, the real reward begins. Northern Iranian cuisine is rich, earthy, and full of soul. Dishes cooked slowly, with herbs picked from these same mountains. Mirza Ghasemi, smoky eggplant, garlic, tomatoes, and eggs. Simple but unforgettable. Baghala Ghatogh, tender fava beans, dill, garlic, and eggs served with local rice. Comfort food at its finest. Fresh fish from the Caspian Sea. Olive oil from Rudbar. Homemade pickles. And rice that smells like the earth itself. Food here isn't just something you eat. It's something you feel. Rudkhan Castle reminds me that Iran is more than what you see in the news. It's nature. It's history. It's flavors passed down through generations. Sometimes the best way to understand a place is to walk slowly and eat like a local.